And the best thing about it is that that wasn't even me with the pistol. That's the funny thing.
Well, if you
Take
want
it
to
down.
tell me, I was gonna say unless you want to tell me out of RP what you did or what fucking what gun you got. Oh, what the fuck? What was happening? Is that yours?
Yeah, this is his. He put it inside the car.
Cause that's why I didn't even want to fucking. I pulled it out and then I pulled my weapon right back away because I was not getting fucking charged for something like this. I'm gonna fucking go to jail for like 30 fucking months because, of course, like, I fucking put the weapon right back.
Law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand your rights? Sir, do you understand your rights? If you don't answer, I'm gonna take the silence as a yes. Okay. Do you have the lawyer that you called? Is he on his way?
Or just pat him down.
All right, I'm gonna pat you down. I'm gonna seize all this shit.
He has 2 illegal weapons.